हाय गाइस। आज हम लिखेंगे नई प्रेसिडेंट स्पीच जो कि प्रेसिडेंट के द्वारा थिरुवल्लुवर यूनिवर्सिटी में जो एनुअल कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी हुई थी वहाँ पर उनके द्वारा दी गई थी। चलिए तो इसे लिखते हैं 85 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड से स्टार्ट। वी ऑल हैव द solemn responsibility to do our part in making India shine on the world stage, said the President of India, Shri Ram Nath Kovind, while addressing the 16th annual convocation of the Thiruvalluvar University in the Vellore today, March 10, 2021. Full stop. The President said that it is a matter of great satisfaction that India's higher education system has expanded to reach out to serve the rural and marginalized sections. Full stop. In the process, it has become the third largest education system in the world. However, there is no room for complacency, and we have to catch up for the lost time if we aspire to scale greater heights. The President said that India had a rich system of education prior to the British rule. Full stop. Gandhiji described it as a beautiful tree that was cut down by what the British rulers called reforms. Full stop. We are yet to fully recover from those drastic changes and recover our legacy. Full stop. The National Education Policy 2020 is a well planned and decisive step in that direction. Full stop. It has a holistic vision of transforming the way children and youth will be educated to make learning a part of personal development while also serving the needs of society. Full stop. The President said that the new policy also takes into account what is needed to build a prosperous and self reliant nation. For this, the higher education system must enable equity, expertise, and empowerment. The National Education Policy seeks to achieve these objectives. Full stop. As Sir C.V. Raman had put it, higher education institutions should lead the nation towards knowledge, expansion, and economic growth. Full stop. That precisely is the thrust of the new policy. The President said that in a short span of about 2 decades since it was established, Thiruvalluvar University has emerged as one of the prestigious universities in the country. Full stop. It has blossomed into a premier institution imparting quality education to students, many of whom are from economically and educationally backward regions. Full stop. This also includes women who come from socially challenged sections. He was happy to note that 65% of the students in the university are women. Full stop. He said that our daughters and sisters are breaking barriers and achieving success in all fields. Full stop. This was clear from the fact that today, out of 66 students conferred with gold medals for academic excellence, 55 are women students. Full stop. Similarly, doctorate degree has been conferred upon 217 scholars today, of which 100 are women candidates. Full stop. This reflects bright future of India. Full stop. When the women of our country are educated, it not only secures their own future but also of the entire country. Full stop. Addressing the students, the president said that we all have the solemn responsibility to do our part in making India shine on the world stage. We also have the opportunity to do so. Full stop. Our country is in a unique position to offer crucial lessons to the world in how to live together peacefully and how to nurture nature. Full stop. As India achieves more economic growth and more equity, the world is eagerly turning to us to learn more. Full stop. Each of them has the capacity to write the next chapter in this India saga. Full stop. All that is needed is the right aspiration. Full stop. Complete. इस डिक्टेशन का पीडीएफ आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। उस पीडीएफ में आपको जितने भी अंडरलाइंड वर्ड्स हैं उसकी साथों उधर ही आपको आउटलाइन मिल जाएगी। पीडीएफ में अटैच है, टेलीग्राम से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं आप लोग। थैंक यू।